can see over here. Okay, so the wall get disappears and the gold value becomes 0 and coin also 0. Okay, so it has deducted that much amount of gold and coins from the leaderboard. So to create that, let's learn the scripts and stop the playtesting mode. Okay, so basically the script I have added is over here. I've added one block over here and make it transparent, and I have linked that block with this particular wall. Okay, so this is nothing but the part I have used from here block, and just like this, drag it and just place it over here. See, then scale, use scale to just fix it over that particular position. And to fix it, then go to the transparency over here of the particular part and just make it transparency 1. Okay, so if you make the transparency 1, that particular part will be invisible, so player will not able to know that he has stepped to this particular block, and because of that this particular wall is getting disappear. Okay, so let's learn what we are going to write into this particular block. So you can name it anything, just go to the script, get the script, remove the default command, and code you are going to write is, first you are going to create a variable local part and going to parent it as script dot parent. After that you're going to create one more variable, that is local wall. Okay, and you're going to link that particular wall with this wall. Okay, so how you're going to link it, you have to give cave dot workspace, so the workspace dot wall, same the name you have to give it. And after that you're going to create one more variable, that is local can open, and going to make it true. It is nothing but the label name. You can see inside over here the text label name is can open, that I have made it true. Okay, so once you create this three variables, you have to game.workspace, then you have to create a function, that is local function. The function name is left, and I'm going to create a parameter inside that, that is the other part. Inside the function I'm going to create a variable, that is local part parent. So basically this code is going to recognize if only the player is touching that particular wall, not at the object. So local parent equals to other part dot parent, then it's going to check it's a humanoid or not. Okay, so this particular code you can write, copy it from the shell script which you have used to check whether it's a humanoid or not. So you have already written it, so you can get the code from your local humanoid, and you have to copy it till this much and paste it over here. So here this is error, character is not found. So you need to change it with this particular part, parent child humanoid. If humanoid is found, get later stats. Okay, if humanoid, so change into the place. Okay, so we are going to link the player with the leaderboard as well. So we can see local player equals to game.player skate player from character humanoid by parent. Once it checks, then we are going to link the leaderboard with the player. So here I'm not going to take player items, we don't require, we require gold and coins, so I'm going to use that particular one. So change the items with the same name as the player setup, what is written over there, gold, and the other line you're going to write is same. And I'm going to do same with the coins. Check it once if your name is correct. Yeah, fine. Once you are done with it, you are going to write one if condition, like if there is if 600 gold and 100 coins. So for that you are going to write if player, then I'm going to check player gold value is greater than or equals to 600, and player coin dot value greater than or equals to 100. Okay, so name is not mentioned, so you have to check coins dot value is greater than or equals to 100. Then if both the conditions satisfy, then I'm going to make that particular can open equals to false, which I have made it true. I also need to make changes over here. If humanoid and can open is satisfied, then check if it's a player or not. I'm going to make it false over here. Then I'm going to make player goal dot value. I'm going to deduct the value. Minus 600, and also same for coins. I'm going to deduct it and 100. Okay, after you deduct the amount from the leaderboard, you're going to make the wall transparency by adding this particular uh, command, and then I have added one sound effect. You have to add the sound like this into this, like I will show you. Just copy and paste to this particular script. Okay, and you have to rename the sound. So I've added that once the wall become transparency, then the sound should play, and it should play for 1 second. And then I have add wall dot can collide, that means the player can pass through that particular block position once it get transparent. And At the end, I have called the function by using the variable name which is used at the start. Yeah, and connect it with the function. Once you are done, okay, you can see your ball and the chess script over here. Once the player touches the script, touches this particular part block, it's going to connect with the ball. So make sure you connect that particular this part next to the ball only. So now let's play test and see the output. It takes time because my file is too big. So most of the time it doesn't take so much time. So it's okay. You can play test the code is right. Okay, let's play test and see if our output is showing the correct. Okay, fighters. Yeah, it's working fine, and you can see the change in the leaderboard as well. Yeah, so you can use it. Get your player reach to the treasure. Yeah, see. Okay.